how to turn off apps and websites on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off apps and websites on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just go down until you find this one here, apps and websites. And now just click this one, apps, websites and games, and then just click turn off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.